I've got a couple of mystery bags from Betsy's Boutique. So if you want to see what this is all about, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Ben is hanging out with me and Chloe's doing her own thing with Dexter, but if you're new, welcome and thanks so much for checking us out. We do all kinds of unboxings, unbaggings, get ready with me's, fun fashion, try-ons, stuff like that. So if you're into that kind of thing, please consider hitting the subscribe button. It's totally free. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. All right, so Betsy's Boutique had mystery bag, $45. I think it's 5 items, and they are a clothing boutique, so you don't know what you're going to get. It's final sales. If you don't like it, too bad. I did get both the medium and the large because I wasn't sure about sizing. The large I'm going to do in another video, which once it's up, I will link this video to. I'm going to start with the medium. Now, I saw it advertised on Instagram, so I went and I looked up. They have generally very positive reviews. They are a little brick and mortar that you could actually go to. So I said, I'll give it a shot. We'll see. First item is a little t-shirt from, I don't know if these are all their own brand, Betsy's Boutique Shop. I do like the color. Let's make sure this, okay, I can't find a size on it anywhere, but it is cute. Kind of has that little textury weave. Next, we have a pair of shorts. I guess they sell their own brand because this is also Betsy's Boutique. So these are kind of those paper bag. Oh, no, it's a skirt. Okay. I don't really wear a lot of skirts, but it is cute. Okay, that's cute. It's very soft. I did have a cut from the cloth similar to this, but it was too big. This also looks quite big, though. Maybe this is the large bag. No, this is the medium bag. It's kind of blind grabbing in here. All right, this looks like a tunic type top. It's cute. It's not my style. I'll tell you that. I don't know. The last one, this feels kind of small, but what is it? Let's see. It is, okay, this is probably my favorite item. This is from Hem and Thread. And yeah, this is probably my favorite item in the box. All right, let's get to trying some stuff on. Okay, so I started with the skirt and the top, which I thought was some nice fall colors together. I do like the top. It is super long, as you can see, right? Almost a dress on me. It's so long. So you wouldn't want to wear it like that with the skirt anyway, because the big bow would stick out. So just kind of tucked it in a little bit. And it does have pockets. Y'all know I love some pockets. And overall, I mean, it's not bad. There's no tags on this, so I have no idea what the prices would be. I will try to look that up on their website to see if I can find some prices. But for now, we'll just take it for what it is, right? And then here it is fully tucked in, so you can kind of get. So I can certainly see it has potential. I don't really wear skirts that often though, so, but I have it, it's mine. That's that. Okay, I'm gonna try on that other top with, I think with jeans. I think even though it would kind of go, it is really long. So I think I'm going to try, you know what? I'm going to try on the dress and then I can put my jeans back on and try on the other couple tops. So I'll be right back. So here is that little shift. I actually like it a little better on than I did off. This is not from Betsy's Closet. This is from the store, but the brand is UMGEE, UMGEE. Never heard of it. USA, that doesn't mean anything. There's lots of little brands out there. My only thing is like this here, like what you're gonna have to wear a strapless bra. Um, I have yet to find one that holds and is comfortable, so there's that. But otherwise, yeah, I don't think it's as bad as I originally thought. Pockets. There's that. What do you guys think? All right, two more tops to try. I'm gonna throw my jeans back on and we'll see how those look. I started with the shirt just kind of out to show you how long it is. It's super soft. And guys, I really like the kind of differentiation here, making it look like kind of a baseball tee, but fancier. All right, so I do have it tucked in. I think this shirt is really better suited for somebody taller than me because it's just way, way, way too long. But otherwise cute. I don't think I'll probably wear it because the length is just way too much for me. I mean, fits nice in here. It's just in here, it's just way too long for me. All right, let's check out that last tank top. Okay, here is that last top. So it's shorter than the other one to do like, I think it's just a nice like layering piece. I think it'll go with a lot of different cardigans or sweaters, or just on its own. I think great with a pair of shorts. So I can definitely see this being something that I get my use out of. I mean, again, it's like $8 an item, so you know you can't expect that much. But this is the real winner, I think, of the box for me. If there was an option to keep and send back, this would be my keeper, and I'd send everything else back. But it was a mystery bag. You got 5 pieces, $45. That's that. You're stuck with them. So I do like this one though quite a bit. All right. Well, let me know your thoughts. Hopefully I see you in part 2 where I do the large bag try on. And please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And hopefully I'll see you soon.